Eens upon a time there was a young quine called wee Ried Riding Hood, and she bid wi' a feather on the outskirts of the deep dark wood.
Oi, wee Ried. What do you think of my new ex? Sharp as your old gruddy's tongue.
I do that off a muckle feather.
Aye, maybe. Anyway, speaking about your granny, will you take her this basket of fancy pieces? She's nae been feeling off a wheel. And watch out for the muckle course roof. I've heard he's been gone about the wood.
Yo, feather, do you really think it's a good idea for me to go through a deep dark wood by myself if muckle course roof was about?
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine.
And say, I was she get through a deep dark wood, and she wasn't long in her way afore she was spotted by none other than the muckle course oof. Oh, here's a bairn coming along just in time for me dinner. Fine. Say, a muckle course oof skelpit on a head to set a trap for wee Ried Riding Hood. Now we'll get this trap rigged up and get hidden away in the bushes. Now this is all about the timing. 1, 2, 3, no!
Yeah, the medicine backfired!
What am I going to get doing for here? After a long drop and an off had done to the head, a muckle course oof skelpit on a head again to set a new trap. Right, I'm going to get her this time. No, if it's a day new man. Rubbish, man, nothing but cheap trot. That's it, I've got a better idea. And say a muckle course oof skelpit all the way to Granny's house and chop at the door. Aye, Granny, it's me, wee Ried Riding Hood. I brought you some fancy pieces.
Oh, I quite, that'll be fine. Come on. Waar mag die?
Fooled you. It's me, a muckle course oof, and I'm here to eat you.
Oh, get your hands off of me.
Nu, is niest met een mechtflag off a wee bairns. So if you are under the age of about 14 3/4, shut your ear now.
Oh, you devil, you. Just you wait till my loon gets up to you. He's 10 feet tall, you can. He'll sort you out. He's got himself a great muckle axe on. He's just hit it sharpened. I'm telling you.
Gods! Granny, man, you're as chook as all beats.
You read the speck. Smells worse than a muck midden down here.
Aye, well, you better get yourself comfy. Now, where do you keep your spare cardies? And by the time wee Ried Riding Hood got to Granny's house, a muckle course oof was all dressed up.
Aye, Granny, I've brought you some fancy pieces.
Aye, Quine, I'll be fine. Come away in. Oh, me, Granny, fit muckle in you hae. Aye, that's right, me Quine. All the better to see you, wee.
Aye, Granny, fit muckle haunts you hae.
Aye, all the better to give you great big boosies, wee me Quine.
Oh, and Granny, fit muckle lugs you hae.
Oh, come on now. These are the lugs I was born with. It's like being back in a squeal playground with you.
And now, Granny, fit muckle chowdlers you hae.
Oh, the better to eat you, wee. And we had a muckle course oof galloped up wee Ried Riding Hood and go. And he was at stop at foo, he get fast asleep.
Oh, he ate you and all, did he? Huh? Devil! Fit timest. Should have been back by now. I better go and check. Mere hitta wee lamkie, wee lamkie. Oh, me, mother. Fit muckle lugs you hae. What's name me, Hamish, you neep? I'm inside the oof. Oh, he's hating you, is he? Oh, aye. Very good, detective. Now get us out of here. Righty-ho, let's get you cut it open.
Eens op die was out of the muckle course oof, Granny had a rare idea. She sent him out to pick up a puckle steins, signed Filthy's Wame and stitched them back up.
Nee anesthetic.
So he could never eat any more bairns or the fool all Grannies ever again. Signed is celebrated with a fancy piece.
Real dee.
And as for a muckle course oof, well, he gid for a walk through the deep dark wood feeling gey sorry for himself. Nae dinner again, man. Kennis!
Aberdeen thinks it's easy being a muckle course but it's nae my life is chuch when I'm trying to catch me supper and now my plans get scuppered and I gang hungry but you see it's really a world that's course nae me.
See, it's exactly what I'm speaking about. Exactly!